steering wheel restoration. Here we have an MGB wheel, and this is an original MGB wheel which were fitted from the very first of the MGBs in about 1962 through to about 1970. They also fit MGC, but they were covered in leather when they were fitted to MGCs. They do now suffer from a weakness where the spokes begin to pull away from the inner rim here, and this area cracks. So if yours is cracking here, the spokes begin to tear away here from the inner rim. And obviously once one set goes, then the next set, then the next set. And you don't end up with a broken steering wheel. But there are reproduction ones of these available, and they sort of lack quality somewhat. They're not as shiny, and they lack detail as well. And people tell me they feel weaker to use. This particular wheel's come in and we've re-welded each set of spokes and then recast the rim and recoated the boss. But that's MGB, MGC dating from 62 through to about 1970.